The DELTA Trinsic matte black faucet combines a clean, contemporary profile with a deep matte finish that looks striking on modern kitchen sinks and resists everyday fingerprints and water spots. Its touch activation lets you start and stop the water with a tap of your wrist or forearm, which is especially handy when your hands are messy from cooking. The pull-down sprayer glides smoothly, offers strong spray and stream options, and snaps back into place securely thanks to the magnetic docking system. An integrated temperature indicator light changes color with the water temperature, so you can see at a glance whether the water is cold, warm, or hot. The internal sealing system is engineered to minimize potential leak points and is designed to outlast many standard kitchen faucets under heavy daily use. Installation is straightforward for a single-hole setup, and the faucet is backed by long-term warranty coverage that adds peace of mind for a busy kitchen.